morning once again. Welcome to Survivor YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how we are going to use our calculator to solve simultaneous equation in three variables. Simultaneous equation in three variables. So let's consider this question. 3x plus 2y plus 4z equals 11. Also, 2x minus y plus 3z equals 4. 5x minus 3y plus 5z equals minus 1. So we are going to learn how to use the calculator to solve for these three simultaneous equations in three variables over here. So first of all, we are going to press our mode. Then we select from equations, which is 5. Then we are going to select from from 2, which is in three variables. So right now the calculator has opened the menu for us to enter our figures. So we enter the figures. We represent the A as our X, the B as our Y, the C as our Z, and the D over there as the constant, which is at the right hand side of the equation. It's supposed to be a figure without a variable. So we enter the figures. We are going to enter the coefficient of X at the A side. The coefficient of X at the A side. So the coefficient of X is 3. So I'm going to press 3. Then we press equal to. Then also the coefficient of Y2 is 2. So 2. Then we press equal to. The coefficient of Z is 4. So we press 4. Then we press and equal to. Then it will move straight to the right hand side of the equation, which is supposed to be 11. So we just punch 11. Then you press equal to. Then it will move to the second column. The second column. So the second column, the coefficient of X, which is supposed to be our A on the calculator, is 2. So we press 2. Then we press equal to. And the coefficient of Y over there is minus 1. So going to press minus 1. Then we press equal to. Then move on to the C, which is supposed to be 3Z. Then the last part is 4. Then to move on to the last equation of the question, this is supposed to be 5x minus 3y plus 5z equals minus 1. So we are going to enter our figures. The coefficient of x, which is supposed to be our A, is 5. Then we move on to the coefficient of y, which is supposed to be the coefficient of b, to be minus 3. So you press minus 2, then you press equal to, then it works. Enter each on the mode for you. Then move on to the 5z, press equal to. Then it will take you straight to the right hand side of the equation, which is supposed to be our minus 1 of the equation 3. Then you press equal to. So after you have done entering all your values, you finally press equal to again. Then your answers will come. So our x is 3 minus 3. Our y is 2. Our z is 4. So try confirming it by putting it into the equation. Try confirming it. Yeah, by putting it into the equation. Like wherever you see x, you place it with minus 3. Wherever you see y, you place it with 2. Wherever you see z, you place it with 4. Then try summing everything over there and see if you are going to get 11. And see if you are going to get 11. If you are supposed, if you get 11, then it means what you did is correct. Alright. So thanks very much for learning with Simultaneous. Bye.
I did me, to me, say.